voice yet because I haven't really been speaking. But we have a busy day. So we have nearly 70 orders to fill because I launched my stickers. If you guys watched last week's vlog, you saw that we launched our new sticker pack and it was really successful. So the Monday after a launch is always a little bit hectic. This is so rewarding yet so terrifying. Okay, so I was looking at all these sheets, all these piles, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna count by hand, especially since the bundles, because of the limited functionality to Etsy, and you can't do multiple variations, you get 2 variations. So with these bundles that I did now, where you can pick any 2 sheets, I would need both variations. So you could say, I want a skin like pearls and a movement pack. But I also have the option to do weatherproof or regular matte. So that took one of the slots. So it made it impossible for me to do like 3 slots basically. So people have to literally tell me what they want. So instead of me going through and counting everything, I exported everything to Excel and basically made a matrix and color coded. Here, I'll show you. So I color coded everything, and I have what kind of sticker pack they are versus what kind of paper they are, and boiled all of that information down to create a matrix that tells me exactly how much I need for each pack and each paper type. And then I counted everything up and tallied everything up, and the totals here match what I calculated on my pen and paper. So I'm confident that this is the exact inventory that I need, and I'm going to show my husband so that we can get printing and cutting. I'm going to look busted all of today. I'm just gonna put that out there. Shout out to Stormy for my Black Lives Matter t-shirt. I went and got my mommy juice. I'm not feeling high energy. It's princess time. I'm stressed and I'm tired and I lost the contact. So vibe with me. This is what it really looks like, okay? We're not all done up. We're literally looking busted and crusted behind these screens, okay? Honestly, it's just unacceptable. Right? It is what it is.
Hi.
Ooh, you got food in your mouth.
My family shirt.
Your Spider-Man shirt?
I did that.
Who did that?
Daddy.
Daddy put it on you? That was nice, huh?
Yes.
Yes. It is 11:54. I really do want to post my illustration for sale today, but then in the back of my head, I'm like, boo-boo, you're overwhelmed. But I want to have like more downloads available to you guys, but because there's so much fraud that happens with my art on a regular daily basis, it makes it difficult for me to strategically find a way to be able to provide for the people who genuinely want to use things the proper authentic way, while not also literally giving people ammo to use my stuff fraudulently. So it's a very difficult balance, but I am brainstorming and trying to consult with different people on what the best way is. A lot of people who are bigger get their stuff taken all the time, and it's kind of like a part of the business. So I'm trying to figure out like how I want to run this. But I'm just super like protective because I worked hard for this, and I don't understand why someone would think it's acceptable to just take something that is literally not belonging to them and sell it, and then give you an attitude and then expect you to explain why they can't use your stuff. Like, what if I just came to your house, took your stuff, right, without you seeing, I stole it on the low, and then you see me selling your stuff to other people, and I'm like, is that my salad bowl, Karen? And you're like, yeah, what's the big deal? It's just a salad bowl, like, but it's my salad bowl. I'd be like, everyone else is selling salad bowls. Why are you picking on me for selling your salad bowl? Like, does that make any sense? I can answer that for you. No, it doesn't. Oh, I just went on this little rant when I got a post, child.
Here we go.
This is the weatherproof, this is the regular matte, and this is the regular matte.
Right.
And we're cutting the movements now, and then we're switching into the weatherproof bundles of
The stickier it is, the harder it is to get off. After a certain amount of use, and it becomes easier. Like this one, it looks dirty and everything, but it's not really dirty. It's just, you know,
linty and
exactly. So,
well
this
used.
is like, this is washed. If you wash this is like 1, 2, 3. And I can actually, even though I can take it off, I like to peel off like this down. So I use my hands. It's easier for me now, right? So, oh, easy, clean, nice.
Okay guys, moment of truth. These are our notepads that we worked on. I don't remember if I vlogged about the notepads, but we have notepads. So let's open these up.
Bye.
Ah, they look so good!
Very nice.
Oh, thank God.
These are really good.
These are nice.
They did
Good
really,
quality
they are
paper.
really good.
They're really good.
She's really good.
This is amazing.
This is our Triple Yogi Inhale Exhale notepad.
That's amazing. Very good.
We made a product.
Wow.
Everything
Exhale.
else we've done have been print on demand in terms of products other than things we print ourselves. So this is like our first having inventory at the house.
Wow, and it flips really nicely too.
It doesn't like crack in half.
Yeah, like you can, this is nice. This is really nice.
Okay, I feel good. If these came out like this and it has all 3 skin tones, I feel much better about the other 2. So let's open those up.
Wow.
Okay.
Damn, they did great. Wow, you like it?
These ones look really nice too.
Wow.
These are Let Yourself Blossom.
No,
Like the paper quality is really nice. Like I feel like if you use a pen, it's not going to bleed through to the rest of the pages. So that's really good.
Clap before we open it. Clap, clap.
Wow.
This is my favorite.
Another really, really nice one. Here you go.
Here, that one is for you. Wow, this is, let me see, Bubba.
This one came out really, really nice as well. So I'm really, really happy. This like picked me up. I've been kind of slow today because I didn't sleep very well. So this is definitely, can you guys even see me? Or is Michael's head annoying? So this has really been successful. I'm really happy with this. And then we were going to figure out how we're going to shoot this because I really, thank you, want this to be, you know, like the introduction to our stationery line. So we are working slowly but surely to release new products. So this is the very first in the stationery line. And it's been a success. So
it's amazing.
It'll
be a success after we sell out.
Well, I'm already marking it as a success because this was a huge gamble.
Oh yeah, it was.
We've never worked with this company before.
Yeah.
So for it to come out perfectly, like we couldn't have done better ourselves. I'm really, really happy with it.
Yeah, it's really the way we printed it too. Like the proofs were, in terms
Very
of what
similar.
we did, it was it's very similar, if not better.
Right.
The quality is just as better as what we did. Like really, it's crisp.
Yeah.
It's even better. Like the quality is even like
Bellissimo, bellissimo.
Please.
It's not for babies.
I want to do it for you.
This is just utter chaos right now. I don't like having all this stuff all around, but it's a necessary evil because you gotta make a mess to be able to clean up and get it all back together. So it's been a long day. I'm about to print shipping labels and then we are going to start packing. Literally 9 hours later, gonna start packing.
So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. Scream shit, move on. Throw your hands up, move on. It's all good. Today's your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you. Can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a
orders that Andrea packed, and then we have all of those left. So yeah, we have a lot of orders today. And on top of that, we got more that just came in early this morning. So we're trying to get that done as well. So see what happens.
When you see in like these little piles like this, it doesn't do it justice for how much effort. Ooh, I think our package is here. This was a lot. This was a whole lot, and we're not even done. All of the orders that have to go out today are prepared and ready to go over there. We're gonna do a post office trip and then come back and finish the rest of the orders that are in the queue that go out tomorrow. Okay, so it is 9:37 and I just wrote down my to-do list really quickly of everything that I want to get done today. So I had a custom that I had to finish off, so I just sent that to a client, so I can already check that off. Now I'm gonna move into the orders that we have to do. Abubakar is taking me to the city for my birthday tomorrow, so even though my birthday was yesterday. He wanted to go yesterday, but I have a tradition where I spend my birthday with my parents every year. So we're gonna go this weekend and just do kind of like, I guess, a staycation. We still feel like we're like city folk. So everything has to be done today, which is why today is going to be so hectic. So I'm going to get all the orders done, clear out the queue. Any orders that come in today while we're still doing it, I'm going to do those as well. Then go to the post office, and then it's time for notepad, item creation, listing creation, photography, advertising, that whole shebang. I have to set up my newsletter for tomorrow. I have to edit the vlog that's gonna go up tomorrow. And I actually scheduled in a nap because I know every time I start editing I get really tired because I'm just staring at the screen. So I'm gonna take a nap right before I start editing so I can be bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, and as productive as possible. So I'm trying to change my mindset around sleep, because in my mind sleep is not a waste of time, but I don't feel productive. So I often sacrifice sleep for a false sense of productivity, because I end up not being productive at all because I'm tired. So I'm gonna take a nap today. So we're gonna get started with some orders. I made a tally of how many stickers I need using one of my new notepads. But I need 14 Skin Like Pearls in matte, 6 The Movement in matte, and 10 Stay at Home in matte. And then I also need 3, 2, and 1 in weatherproof in nail oil. So I'm just gonna go through and pack what I can. Actually, what would make sense? Use your brain. Let me count how many I have of each, so while I'm packing what I have, new ones can be coming out. And that's why they pay me the big bucks, honey.
Period.
Okay, the ballots are in. So I need 6 Skin Like Pearls, 3 The Movements, 3 Stay at Homes. All of that being said, I'm gonna get to really I think he's actually doing it on purpose. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to printing and cutting and moving and shaking and grooving and baking. Okay, bye. The hope is that these are pretty much in the same order. It don't always work out like that, but... Okay guys, it is now 8 p.m. We did a lot of stuff in between the last time you saw me. So we finished packing orders, we went to the post office, we went to a couple of stores. I grabbed some supplies so I could take my listing pictures. So I took listing pictures for all 3 of my notepads. So hopefully they turned out good. I do have to edit them, so fingers crossed, because I never usually do it like that. I mean, at the end of the day, I can always do a mock-up and make it look, you know, decent if my photos haven't come out too good, because I never usually take product photography, so I don't expect it to look like some Martha Stewart type stuff, but hopefully it will be enough to meet the standards of Coco Michelle. And then I also did my nails. So these were supposed to be my birthday nails, but they came the day after my birthday, but that's okay. Can you even see them? Unfortunately, my husband hates them. And I would love to say that I don't care. But unfortunately I do care. I'm still gonna wear them, but you know, it just makes me feel sad, you know. But I'm definitely still gonna wear them because I definitely paid real cash for them and I love them. So they just, he's not into the rhinestones, which is the actual reason why I bought them, but it is what it is. So the rest of the night is just gonna be me editing the vlog that's going up tomorrow, and then creating the newsletter, the listing for the notepads, and all of the posts and all that stuff. So when we're traveling to the city tomorrow, it's not a big deal for me to press a couple of buttons and everything go live, and then me just enjoy my birthday weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much. I don't even know what I filmed this week, so hopefully it's enough. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.